Hi everyone, and welcome to our tech series for childcare business owners. In this video, we'll explore how to use Google Drive to streamline document sharing and collaboration. Google Drive helps manage important documents like enrollment forms and lesson plans that are accessible from any device at any time. Its organization tools and powerful search function keep everything neat and easy to find. We'll show you how to create folders for different categories and how to use real-time collaboration features. By the end of this video, you'll know how to share and edit files, manage permissions, and use version history to track changes, making your childcare center more efficient and organized. In this video, we'll cover sharing files, editing files together, managing permissions, organizing and searching Google Drive, leaving and viewing comments, and viewing version history. Let's start by sharing files in Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Log into your Google account. You will land on the home page of your Google Drive. From here, if you'd like to share a file, right-click on the file you'd like to share, and then select Share. You have the option to directly add someone or generate a shareable link to the file which you can send to anyone. When you share your file with someone, you'll want to choose which level of access you want to grant them, viewer, commenter, or editor. Click Send to share the file. For additional security when sharing files, you can also set expiration dates for access or restrict the ability to download, print, or copy the file by clicking on the settings icon in the top right corner of the sharing pop-up. Google Drive allows multiple people to edit files simultaneously. Open a shared file, such as a Google Doc, sheet, or slide. As your colleagues join the document, you'll see their cursor and can watch changes happen in real time. This is perfect for collaborative tasks like updating schedules, creating newsletters, or working on policy documents. You can also leave comments for specific feedback on any Google Drive file. Highlight the text or area where you want to comment, right-click or choose this Add Comment button, and enter your feedback. Click the Comment button to save it to the file. Keeping your Google Drive organized is essential for quick access to your files. Create folders for different categories such as administrative documents, staff records, and educational materials. To create a folder, click on the New button in the top left corner and select New Folder. From here, you can name your folder and click Create to create it. To move files into your folder, you can simply drag and drop them onto the icon. You can also use color codes to differentiate folders. You can change the color of your folder by right-clicking, going to Organize, and choosing a color. Searching for files in Google Drive is also simple. You can use the search bar at the top of the page and type in keywords related to the file that you're looking for. Google Drive's advanced search options allow you to filter results by file type, owner, and more, making it easy to find exactly what you need. Google Drive's advanced search options allow you to filter results by file type, owner, and more, making it easy to find exactly what you need. One of the most powerful features of Google Drive is the ability to view version history. This allows you to track changes, see who made edits, and revert to earlier versions if needed. To view version history, open the file, click on File on the top left-hand corner menu, and go to Version History, or go to this clock button on the right-hand side, and a panel will open on the right side of the screen showing a timeline of changes. Click on any version to see what the document looked like at that point in time. If you need to restore a previous version, click on Restore this version. This will undo any edits that occurred after this save. This feature is especially useful for maintaining accurate records and tracking edits over time. Google Drive is an essential tool for managing your childcare business documents. It offers seamless sharing and collaboration, robust permission management, and detailed version history to keep your records accurate and up to date. Keep all your important documents, such as enrollment forms, health records, and policy documents, organized and accessible. Work together with your staff on schedules, lesson plans, and newsletters in real time. Use comments and suggestions to provide feedback on staff reports or parent communications. Manage access to sensitive information by setting permissions and using version history to track changes and ensure document integrity. Give Google Drive a try and see how it can enhance your record keeping and collaboration efforts.